At 1 foot, you know how many seeds we could put? 60. They're really small, so we could plant them a lot closer together. Here is arugula seeds. You see how tiny they are? I gotta be careful so it falls inside the line. You wanna cover some back? Do that line. I'm just gonna water in the area where we planted the seeds. You wanna spread out about 45 to maybe 60 arugula seeds per foot. But you see how small these seeds are. When I spread them out, I'm just sprinkling them out like so. All right, right into the groove that I make. They only need to go down about 1/4 inch, so they don't need to go deep at all. They're gonna sprout quick. Yeah, this that good. Y'all see this right here, right? Those leaves right there, that's that arugula, that's chlorophyll. Now the chlorophyll, that's good for your blood. That builds up your blood. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. So it's gonna help get rid of the free radical, the toxins that you have in you. If you got body odor, if you smell bad, you need more chlorophyll in your diet. This is gonna help with that. I'm gonna show you guys how to grow your own chlorophyll by growing your own greens and to grow your own garden club. Click the link in the bio and get in there. Y'all stay rooted.